An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 24, verse 1 up to 4. Abraham was now a very old man. The Lord had made him rich and was successful in everything he did. One day, Abraham called in his most trusted servant and said to him, "Solemnly promise me, in the name of the Lord who rules heaven and earth, that you won't choose a wife for my son Isaac from the people here in the land of Canaan. Instead, go back to the land where I was born and find a wife for him from among my relatives." So in this passage, Abraham knew that he's very old and he need to find a wife for his son Isaac. So he asked his servant to go back to the land of Haran where his relatives dwell, and he knew that the people living in Canaan are so wicked and they don't obey nor follow God. So he decided to go back to he asked his servant to go back to the land of Haran to find a wife for Isaac so that Isaac can serve God together with his wife.